Hi friends, today we start the new question, new type of question. Determine the ground state term for following metal ion in complexes. In complexes. In the previous questions, we see the directly ions or system. In this, you have to find out the ground state term for metal ions in the complexes. That means in the example complex, any complex is given, and from that complex we have to calculate the ground state term of metal ion. Okay, this is the question. First you have to write whole information about the complex. That means which is the central metal atom, then write the name of that complex, then coordination number, then geometry, then which metal ion is present in the ground state, then which is the metal atom in excited state. Okay, first how you write the answer of this question? Just say Mn is the central, Mn2 plus is the central metal ion, central metal ion. Then what is the name of that complex? Hexa echo, manganese. Then what is the electronic configuration? What is the atomic number of Mn? That means manganese Skirtivacraman, that means 25. So you have to write 3d5 for S2. Okay, but in that example that water is the neutral, so you have to take Mn2 plus ion. Okay, that complex carrying 2 plus charge, but here water is neutral, so for balancing Mn carries plus 2 charge, then charge gets same. So you have to write, so you write it here Mn2 plus, that's why the 2 electrons get lost here. So system is 3d5. Then coordination number is coordination number. What is the coordination number? How many ligands are bind to the metal atom? 6. Okay, what is the geometry of this complex? Octahedral. Okay, octahedral. Okay, so in d orbital, d system, 5 orbitals are present. 1 2 3 4 5. How many electrons are present? 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then write it here: 0 minus 1 minus 2 1 and 2. Now after that you just write the systems 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, again go then excited 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then how you write it here? This is octahedral complex, so you write it easy, and here 1 2 3 T2G. Okay, so 5 electrons are present. 1 2 3 4 5. Again same here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in that how you write it here? This water is the ligand, but that ligand is weak, this ligand is not strong. Then what is the difference between strong ligand and weak ligand? Okay, when here cyanide is there, Cn is there, at that time the cyanide is stronger ligand, and when stronger ligand is there, at that time here pairing it takes place. That means all the electrons are filled in the T2G orbital, but that ligand is not strong, this ligand is very much weak, so here pairing is not takes place. That means here 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so you just write in the only one way. Okay, that means इथे तुम्ही जे इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल केलेत ते तुम्ही अशा पद्धतीने फिल करणार, याच्यापेक्षा वेगळ्या पद्धतीने फिल नाही करू शकत. दॅट मीन्स एकाच प्रकारे इथे फिलिंग होऊ शकते. सो यू हॅव टू टेक A1G. ओके, केअरफुली ऐका. इथे इलेक्ट्रॉनची फिलिंग ही एकाच पद्धतीने होऊ शकते. सो A1G इज द टर्म. ओके. L is total angular momentum. S is spin angular momentum. L is 0. Why we take the 0? Because see here, 2 plus 1, 3, and here minus 1 minus 2, that means plus 3 and minus 3. What is the value? 0. Yes, 5 half or electrons are present, so 5 by 2. Then you just calculate the value of twice s plus 1. 2, 5 by 2 plus 1, what is the value here? 6. Then RS term काय येईल इथे? 6. Twice s plus 1 is the 6. L is equal to 0. So what is that series? X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is L. S, P, D, F, G, H, and so. Here L is equal to 0, so you have to take the P. Okay. What is, just 2 minutes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, S, P, D, F. Okay. What is the value of L? Here 0 is there, not a 1. 0 is there. So you just take 6 state. What is that? Yes. Yes is the term. That means 6 state S is the RS term. Is RS term. Manganese is weak field ligand. The splitting of sextate S term in octahedral field is sextate A1G. How you write the last line of this sentence? Answer. The splitting of sextate S term in octahedral field is sextate A1G is ground state term. Is ground state term. Okay. Now we see the next question. Second question of this type. Determine ground state term for following metal ion in complexes. Which complexes? Fe, H2O, 6, 2 plus. Okay. This is the complex. First you have to write whole information about this complex. Fe is the central metal ion. Central metal ion. What is the name of this complex? Hexa-aquo. Hexa means 6. 6 molecules of water is present. So hexa-aquo ferrate. Okay. Water is neutral. Here 2 plus charge is there. Okay. So for balancing, Fe2 plus is there. Then coordination number is 6. Then geometry is octahedral. Then atomic number of Fe is 26. So configuration is 3d6 4s2. Okay. Then Fe2 plus. Why we take the Fe2 plus? For the balancing. So the system is d6. That means d6 system. Okay. Then write the d orbital. You just fill the electrons. 6 electrons are present. First singly they fill and then pairing. Okay. Here 6 electrons are present. Then RS term formula is twice S plus 1 X. Here L plus S is there, not L minus S, because here electrons is not singly filled. Here pairing is also there. That means greater than half filled. So you have to take the L plus S. Then twice S plus 1 What is the value of S? You just calculate. First you have to see S is, this is minus half, plus half, minus half get cancelled. Then here minus half, here plus half, plus half, plus half, plus half. That means first you have to write the value of S. Here 1 is the 1 half, plus 1 half and minus 1 half. You have to take, this is for plus half, then plus half, then plus half, plus half. Here plus half get cancelled due to that inward spin. That means half plus minus half, plus half, plus half, plus half, plus half. So what is that answer? Here get cancelled and here 2. Okay, then now you just fill the value. 2, here 2 plus 1, what is that value? Quintet. Okay, so what is the value of L plus S? L is, okay, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Here 2 for this electron and 2 for this electron, that means 4. Here plus 1, that means 5. And here 5 minus 3 is, what is that 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so here what is the value of S? S is 2. Okay, that means 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the Arrhenius term? Arrhenius term quintet D. We know the series X. What is that series? See here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the value of L? L is equal to 2. So what you take? 0, 1, 2, that means D. Okay. Arrhenius term is quintet D4. Okay. This is the Arrhenius term. Okay. The splitting of 5D, how you write here? The splitting of 5D term in octahedral field. OH means what? Octahedral. Octahedral field. Okay. How you write the splitting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is EG and this is T2G. Okay. This is T2G. This is EG. How many electrons are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So you put the electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Firstly, you have to put the electrons singly, then pairing. 6, 5 is get there. Then what is the last? 6 electrons. Okay, that means here 6 electrons are filled. Okay, then what you write? This electrons how you filled means what? हे जे तुम्ही 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इथे फिल केले, तुम्ही कोणत्या पद्धतीने अजून लिहू शकतात? इन द 3 वेज. ओके, आधी इथे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत, इथे 1 1 आहे. मग इथे तुम्ही 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन टाकू शकतात, इथे पण 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन टाकू शकतात, इथे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन टाकू शकतात. इथे सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन, इथे पेअर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि इथे पुन्हा सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन. दॅट मीन्स यू हॅव टू पेअर दॅट इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 3 वेज. When you put the electrons and you write the possible ways, 1 is there, at that time you have to take A1, okay, A2G. But here 3 times are possible for to filling the electrons. So what is the ground state term? Quintet T2G is ground state term. Ground state term. Okay, then we see when 1 possibility is there, at that time you have to take A. When 3 possibility is there, you have to take T. This is very much important. Okay.